Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap holder? So what's going on this time? Pancakeswap price will pump up after a very long time. You can see here in last 3 days chart occur. You can see here this time absolutely going very fine, and 1.88% you can see here the price is pumps off now, my friend. So that's really nice, my friend. You can see here two prices increasing now, and congratulations to after a very long time, my friend. You can see here Pancakeswap will starting rising and moving upward. Definitely you can see here 20.93 USD dollar. They are already hit now. This is the highest price, and you can see here 19.86 USD dollar. This is the current price. So there is no big difference, my friend. You can see here in the prices, and I hope, my friend, the price will again hit now 20 USD dollar in very short time. But this is possible just in only if you are hold on. If you are hold, so I hope, my friend, today will pumps up. But if you are not hold to, this is impossible. Today will give you a profit, and absolutely they were fails down. So therefore try to understand holder to don't do any mistake and be safe from the loss. As you can see here, just in only the last 24 hour 1.75% they will profit. Otherwise you can see here, my friend, you can see here in last 7 days you minus 0.51%. the price is decreasing, and last 1 hour also decreasing. So this mean, my friends, to every coin will moving in this circulation to after a dump they will pumps, and after a pumps they will dumps. So try to understand holder to please, if this time if they were fails down, so does not mean to you will starting selling. Hold on, I hope, my friends, they will give you a profit in very short time. So try to understand, please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.